Hey guys, this week should actually be pretty easy and straightforward, which is awesome. So you're going to find your second article. Okay, so exactly like you did last week, you're going to get on those databases that we talked about, and you're going to find another article that goes along with your speech. So remember, one of your articles had to go along with a rhetorical choice that was happening in your speech, and the other one has to go along with what was the main purpose of your speech. So whichever one you did last week, do the other one this week. So that then you have one article that goes along with rhetorical choices of your speech, one article that goes along with what was the main purpose of the speech. Okay, so you'll do that and then you'll write a summary. So exact same thing that you did last week. Okay, so MLA format, and just, the things we talked about that go in a summary, or if you weren't in class, just what's in the instructions that say. So that'll be your first assignment. And then your second assignment is I want you to pick out where in your speech is your speaker, writer, whatever you want to call them, using ethos, where are they using logos, and where are they using pathos. So you're going to write me 2 paragraphs on each, okay? So a total of 6 paragraphs. So you're going to explain in your 2 paragraphs, okay? So if it's ethos, you're going to be like, where do they establish that they're credible, right? And a lot of your speeches might be from someone that's already famous, right? So where are they showing that they're just relying on their own credibility, or where are they building that credibility in their speech? Okay, so your first paragraph is going to be like, where is that happening? And I want like an actual example. Okay, so I want you to quote from your speech where that's happening. And then in your second paragraph, I want you to say, is it effective? Okay, do they establish themselves credible? Is it something that the audience is going to trust? Or are you like, no, they didn't actually really do that. So tell me, is it effective? Is it not effective? What's going on with that? Okay, so same for all of those. In logos, where are they using logic? How are they trying to make that appeal to their audience? And then, is it effective? Do they do a good job? Why would the audience respond well to that? Or would they really benefit from more of that? Were they like, no, they don't actually ever use any either hard statistics or common sense, right? Remember that logos can be either. It doesn't have to just be that they're using facts, but if they're using things that just make sense, right? Like you just have reason and you're like, oh yeah, that makes sense. Then that can be logos as well. And then the third one, right? Where are they using emotion? How are they getting the audience to emotionally connect? Or are they emotionally like triggering them to be happy, be mad, be sad, anything like that? And then, is it effective, right? Did they do that well? Was it not done? Did they overdo it? What's kind of going on with that? Okay, so you're gonna look in your speech where that's happening, and then make sure that you're including examples for all 3 of those in those paragraphs. Okay, so it'll be like 6 paragraphs. They don't have to be super long paragraphs, but you're just showing me, okay, where did this happen, and then a little bit of analysis of, was it effective, was it not effective, and why, kind of in that second paragraph. So that's all we're gonna kind of work on this week, really kind of pulling that speech apart. And then next week, we're gonna start actually writing your rhetorical analysis. So writing the essay that you're gonna turn in. So we're all just gearing up for that. So let me know if you have questions. Hopefully that all makes sense and things are going well this quarter, but let me know if not, or if you're struggling, need help, whatever's going on. Okay. And then make sure you do your reading Someone told me I did 40 minutes last quarter, but I'm upping it to 45 this quarter, which I still feel good about. So read for 45 minutes. Hopefully you found a new book that you like and that you're going to be able to read throughout this quarter. Okay, let me know if you're struggling to find a book too, and hopefully we can find something that at least you don't hate. Okay, have a good week. Let me know what you need.